I don't think people realize how far Mercedes has taken performance luxury. The new CLE 53 Coupe is proof. Let's see why everyone's talking. First, let's talk power. The CLE 53 Coupe packs a turbocharged inline-six engine, pushing out a punchy 443 horsepower, 0 to 60, just 4.0 seconds. Yeah, it's that quick. But it's not just fast, it's smart. With mild hybrid tech, you get instant torque and efficiency, without sacrificing thrill. And the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, it grips the road like it owns it. Slide inside and you're met with pure Mercedes luxury. Think sculpted sports seats, a panoramic screen, and those iconic AMG touches everywhere you look. The ambiance? Next level. Tech lovers, you'll geek out over the latest MBUX infotainment system, customizable drive modes, and a digital cockpit that feels straight out of the future. And price? Expect it to start just north of $80,000 when it hits the market. For this blend of power, prestige, and tech, it's hard to beat. So, is the Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe the new gold standard for luxury coupes? Let us know what you think in the comments.